Good morning. I am preparing a workshop next week, which is the first week of August, unbelievably, and it's called Better Communication. Now, when I speak on this subject, I typically talk about writing and speaking, and that is, how does a sales rep or a selling owner communicate better in writing or verbally? But there's another aspect to this subject of better communication, and that is communicating internally. See, we think as salespeople that this place would fall down without us. There's a confidence, there's a strength that is required to do this job. And we carry that confidence, sometimes to the line of cocky, but that's the job. That's what makes us successful. But when that same attitude is brought inside, it doesn't rub people the right way. So you might have the strength to do your job. You might have the strength to be an outstanding sales rep, but do you have the strength for that next level of communication? Do you have the strength to go to the internal team that you're working with and say, how am I doing? Tell me about me. Tell me about what it's like to work with me. That's a whole nother level. And these people are not trying to hurt you. They can make you better at what you do. So this is in your best interest to give it a shot. Here's what I recommend. Create a list of scale of 1 to 10 questions or statements like, Bill is easy to work with, scale of 1 to 10. Let's see, Bill is considerate to this department. I feel appreciated by Bill. Bill brings in orders that are complete. Scale of 1 to 10. You might think you're here. They might rate you here. They might be being kind because they really mean down here. Still, this gap is the discussion part. So break it down. Tell me why you gave me a 4, because I think I'm a 7. And if they're being honest, and if you're able to just sit and listen and not react, and don't even speak unless it's to say, would you tell me more about that? Can you clarify that point? Give it some time, write it down, go back, recover, because these are body punches. This can really hurt, but this can also make you stronger, and that's why we want to do it. This is in your best interest to be a top communicator, both outside the company and inside the company. That which does not kill you can make you stronger, and it can make you better, and it can make you more money. Open your ears, take a deep breath, and ask some good questions that will allow others to give you that important feedback. And have a great selling week. Talk to you next week.